Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to learn about setup and tear down for function and modules, and especially using xunit style setup and tear down. So here I have setup module, and this function name we have to keep exactly how it is. So setup underscore module, and here we have given some print statement. Similarly for tear down, it is tear down underscore module. Now for function, setup function and tear down function we have. Now in this particular module here we have two test case. So before executing each of these test case, it should first perform their function level setups. These two setup and this one module level. So module level will be applicable once for each module. So for this module I wanted to set up this one, and this setup will be done for one time. Then once all the test case will be executed, then module level tear down will be executed. But function level, for each function this setup will be applicable. First it will complete the setup, and once test is over it will tear down the setup. So now let's execute this code and see the output. So I scroll up here, we can see first it has completed module level setup, and then for test 1, this one, before executing this test 1 it completed the function level setup. Then test is done, it is passed, then it tear down the first function resource setup. Similarly, this module there are two test cases. So for next time it's not going to set up anything for module level, but here it just completed the functional level setup, then perform the test, and finally tear down this test. And once all the test in this module is completed, then it will perform the tear down for module level.